Hello, so today we are going to go ahead and discuss sentences that technically have time, but you don't see it right away because you don't see the word last week or next year. It's somewhere in the sentence and you actually have to go find it. So it's a little bit more quote unquote hidden. So this sentence we're going to go over in this video and we'll go over in the second video in the next one. So as always, we'll go first with identifying the words, then we'll put up our posters, then we'll switch things around. So we have I, which is our subject, right? That is who the sentence is about. We have our verb, which is went. We don't use to because that's an article. And we end with our object or our main noun or our topic for this sentence is school. As always, our sign is showing that our signs are showing that we're writing in gloss. Everything's in caps. We have a different IX for pointing. And so now we need to go ahead and find the time. So it's in the word went. And we know this because went is the past tense version of go. So it's something that happens in the past. So understand this sentence doesn't have a specific time. It didn't say yesterday or 2 days ago, 1 year ago. So we really can't figure out what exactly we should use for the past sign. But we do have a general term we can just throw behind our shoulder and just kind of use this term for past. So the first thing that we know always comes first is the time marker, so we can set up the tense for the other person. Next, we just go ahead and follow our object, subject, verb, or our topic, then the comment, so our school. What about the school, or who about the school? Me. What about me? I am going to the school. So now, sometimes we want to sign the past, but we really just don't want to add that one exact specific time, 1 week ago, yesterday, and that's fine. We can add that sign for past. So if you don't want to be specific, you can just add that generic sign. In addition to adding a generic sign, there's actually another way we could set up past tense. So we could add, and I don't have a sign for this, so I do have to write it out, plus finish. So we could add the sign finish, and what's happening is when we add the sign finish to go and sign them kind of together one after the other, they're connecting and this is becoming a past tense sign. This is becoming went. Understand this is only applying to that sign. It's only applying to the sign go. It's not saying the whole sentence is past tense. It's really only saying the singular sign is past tense. So you could say past school I go or school I go finish. So both of those work. It's really up to you. So let's say, for example, you want to send something short like this sentence, one sentence, then you're done. Then definitely you can add plus finish. If you want to sign for a longer period of time, you're not going to want this sign plus finish. You're going to have to use the past tense marker because that sets up the entire presentation or comment. I went to school, class was really boring, blah, 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 blah. So if you sign finish once, it only means one time, one sentence. So then the next sentence, you would have to set up time again or set up the tense again. So in the next video, we'll go ahead and discuss the second sentence.